your online store get more sales, but in your Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and GA4 not proper data because is your tracking problem, and during this tracking problem and don't get more data from your store. And if you face consent related issue, cookie consent related issue, and how to fix this problem and how to overcome to tracking related issue, and in this video I already explained how to fix in your tracking problem and how to fix your consent related issue. Please see my whole video. Hi there. I recently completed a new project for my Upwork client. My Upwork client faced some cookie consent related issue and tracking related issue. Because cookie consent related issue come again because my client location Germany and European and Western Union also restricted third party cookies without permission. Without permission, and don't give any analytics data and ads related tracking data in human psychic human prospective sites. And my client also face some tracking related issue because purchase event not properly fired and add to cart event not properly fired and not passing data in Google and Analytics 4. And now, how to solve this problem and how to fix the tracking related issue, see step by step. This is my client website, and this is I already built a custom made data layer because each and everything event track via Google Tag Manager, like page view item list, add to cart, add to cart, bring checkout, purchase, remove cart, each and everything event, and also track each and everything event parameter. I already create a some tags Google Ads tracking purpose, Google Ads tag, and analytics e-commerce tracking purpose, Google Analytics 4 tag. And this is my website, and I already complete a full e-commerce journey like a page view, add to cart, being checkout, purchase, and all tag properly fire. This is GTM preview mode, and also I also complete a I also complete a all e-commerce journey like view item list, and view item list also fire and view item event also pass via Google Tag Manager in Google Analytics 4. This is view item event data, and all and each and everything parameter like page title, page referral, page location, GA session ID, GA session number, all pass via Google Tag Manager in Google Analytics 4. And also fire all and each and everything even like view item, add to cart, and add to cart and remove cart, uh, view cart and remove cart, and begin checkout and purchase. All tag properly fire and all consent properly granted each and everything event. And each and everything event also pass via Google Tag Manager in Google Analytics 4. And this is all event, and purchase event properly fire and purchase data properly come in Google Analytics 4, and purchase data properly show, and all show each and all data. Yeah, if you need same related service and if you face same related tracking issue, feel free to message me and or hire me. I always assist you, and thank you.